Hey everyone, I'm Jelene Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my pan-seared yellowtail tuna. It's a super simple, super quick, and so delicious meal for either dinner or lunch option. Make sure if you enjoy this video that you give me a thumbs up. If you like my content in general, just subscribe to my channel. And make sure to press that bell notification so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you guys at the end of this video because this will be a short and simple video. See you guys soon. All right, so today I'll be preparing yellowfin tuna. All right, the first step in preparing my tuna is to prepare the marinade, and I'm gonna start off with using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I'm using a teaspoon of minced garlic, and lastly, a teaspoon of thyme. All right, so now you're gonna mix all of your ingredients in your little plastic baggie and give your tuna a little shake. All right, so now I'm just gonna remove my tuna from the plastic baggie and place it into a container so I can put my tuna into the refrigerator for up to 2 hours just to finish marinating. The flavor smells so good, and I'm just gonna get all of that extra goodness out of the plastic baggie. And I'm just gonna place it into the refrigerator for about 2 hours just to continue the marinating process. Alright, so I'm getting ready to cook my tuna, and I'm just going to add a little extra virgin olive oil to my skillet just to get warm before adding my tuna. Alright, so I've allowed my tuna to marinate for a little over 2 hours, and now I'm ready to add it to my skillet. And I have my skillet at a medium heat. And I'm just going to add all of the marinade ingredients to my tuna because I want all of that flavor as it cooks. And I'm just gonna let it cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more seasoning to my tuna. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Greek all-purpose and a little bit of black pepper to just one side of the tuna. Alright, so my tuna has now been cooking for 3 minutes on one side, and now I'm going to turn it over to the other side for it to continue to cook. And the flavors smell so good. It just smells so good. But I did have to turn my heat down to a medium-low heat because my tuna did begin to cook a little too fast for me. Alright, so my tuna is done, and I'm just gonna plate it for you guys. As I'm taking it out of the skillet, I can just smell all of the wonderful flavors. They just smell amazing. And there we go. Looks so good. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today as I prepared my pan-seared yellowfin tuna. This is a super simple, super quick, yet so delicious and flavorful meal to make. If you enjoyed this recipe and think you will make it, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed my content, press that subscribe button and press that bell notification to be notified of every video I upload. I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.